in December of 2013, our lab published an interesting paper that showed the following. It showed that one of the main causes of miscommunication is that the nucleus doesn't think it's getting enough energy anymore, and it doesn't send the signals to the mitochondria to make them produce the energy anymore. We tracked this down to the loss of a small molecule called NAD. We think NAD is critical for cells' health and their ability to maintain this healthy communication. So what we did was we simply raised the NAD levels back up in a mouse to their youthful levels. So a mouse, when it's young, has, let's say, this amount of NAD. Over time, the NAD levels drop by half. And we found, well, first of all, we asked the question, if we raise these levels back up to youthful levels of NAD, what happens? Can we restore this communication? And we did that. The way you do that actually is quite simple. You inject a mouse with a molecule that the animal turns into NAD. You can buy this from a chemical company, you inject it for a week, and we asked, does this have a benefit restoring the communication? And the answer was yes. Now, after 1 week of raising NAD, the nucleus was now re-establishing communications to the mitochondria. They were talking again. And then we could ask, does this improve health? Does it restore the energy of the cell, which we think is a cause of aging? And the answer was, quite remarkably, yes. The mice, when we looked at their muscle and their heart, they had a restoration of youth. The mitochondria were revved up again after just a week, and they were making energy. And as far as we could tell, looking at all these functional assays of the mitochondrial activity, their ability to make energy, their genome's activity, the amount of DNA they had, they went straight back to being young again.